If you have natural grass, you're literally pouring money down the drain. Every single month, you're trapped in the same cycle, paying a gardener, paying skyrocketing water bills, and still dealing with patchy, high-maintenance grass. It's a financial drain and a time sink. Now imagine taking that recurring expense and putting it back in your pocket. The smart move is modern hardscaping and landscaping. With BNH's premium artificial turf and beautifully designed pavers for your patio and driveway, you can realistically cut your water and gardener bills down to $0. Think of it as a one-time investment that pays for itself. Artificial turf is a drought-friendly luxury that stays perfect year-round with zero maintenance. Pavers never need watering, fertilizing, or weekly mowing. At BNH, we help you calculate your long-term savings, and most homeowners are surprised how quickly the installation pays for itself. And to make it even easier, ask us about starting your project with zero down payment and flexible financing options with the lowest monthly payments. Stop renting your lawn and start owning your savings. It's time to achieve the $0 water bill lifestyle. Call BNH Construction Inc. today for a free consultation at 1-888-600-9648.